Okay, hi.
So, okay, this is not working.
Well, we have to be both in the shot.
Yeah, so I can unzoom it.
Oh, it's zoomed. I was gonna say, why is it so close?
So, I just did her makeup over on her channel. We took her from 0 to 100
Real quick.
in like an hour. Now she's going to do my makeup with her everyday makeup.
I use the Sweet Peach palette for all of it except for when I line my eyes. I don't have a liner, so I always use, the Morphe Kathleen Lights palette, just the black. So should I do your face first then?
That's up to you.
Yeah, so give me your skin color. Look at this applicator.
Yeah, I've only used that once.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, we're gonna need more. I've only been doing foundation for 2 weeks.
She's done my makeup before for my video, so I will have that video linked in the card right now if you want to go check that one out. See how she's improved. Totally white.
Yeah, you're white.
I bought it before we went to Hawaii. So I'm slightly darker.
Slightly.
Slightly.
Okay, we'll warm you up.
That works.
I hate my life. Just stop. I didn't know it was that pigmented. Damn.
See how else she's improved.
LOL. Let me just real quick do it to the other side. Shut up. I just really thought it wasn't going to be that pigmented. You can't even tell though once I rub it in.
Which palette is that?
This one.
Yeah, I don't
one?
even use, that's for the darker skin tones too.
Well, whatever. I don't even friggin' care. I expected it to be like this. You know?
What are you doing exactly?
This is what I do when I do like my stuff. Oh, I forgot to set your face. Well, this could be the setting.
Do you understand how white I am?
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to make it warmer. What is this?
You messed my hair up.
Well, your eyelashes are like missing right there.
That's great.
Yeah. Can you smile? Thank you. Okay.
How did my under eyes look to you?
Bad. Why should I do that?
You should have done that.
Long time ago. Moving on.
Should I zoom in?
Sure. We're doing a transition shade. We're taking a sparkly orange color for the crease. Kind of messily. We have different eyes.
Yep.
That's weird. The color I just did, same kind of messy, and it's messy.
Everything I do is messy.
Which is why I don't understand why people like want me to do their makeup. To make sure those are, sorry, I just need to make sure they're both the same. Take a towel for like, open your eye, for like the fallout, and then close your eye. And then I kind of just make sure it's not in my eyebrow, since I get crazy. And then
Alright, so she had me remove the foundation because she hated it. And she said to like make sure it just looked like it never happened, but I'm back with a naked face and it's very obvious, so.
yeah. I'm just not there yet where I should put it on others.
didn't even conceal my under eyes.
Yeah, whatever.
So they just looked like way darker than the rest of my face. Look at Harney. He's so cute. Doesn't look at him.
Yeah, because I'm in the middle of something. He's cute.
Orange is not my color.
Okay. Ow! Not really, but...
I'm going to go apply my own foundation because she doesn't want to do it again, so I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. I did my foundation and like blush, bronzer, highlight, everything. And now I didn't know if she wanted to like fix anything because I went in with that like concealer and stuff. Oh, and she doesn't do anything on her bottom lash line, so it's naked right now.
It's naked!
Alright, now what?
I don't know. That's the end of the video?
What do you use for lip product every day?
Okay.
Little baby. It's the Buxom lip polish in Dolly.
A different color to my lips, you know what I mean? So it just makes it glossy.
Alrighty, so that's the completed look of Kaytie literally just doing my eyeshadow. So it's hard to compare it to the last video considering you did a full face last video and I did the rest of the face this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you all in my next video. And in the meantime, make sure to spread some positivity. Bye guys!